Girl, you in another class, yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't be modest, no, you designers. Versatile, they gotta play you honest. Sun glow, you blacker than Hot Topic. Iman in your bag, yeah, looky hit. They ain't never seen contours like yours. Never seen a brows fleek, the face beat. You was on a deek all week, weaves.
Hey guys, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. You're watching youtube.com/MeekFro. And as you can see, I have my dirty hair out. About to wash it because I am about to insert my double-ended synthetic dreads. They're basically faux locks. This is a collaboration with Dread Shop. So Dread Shop did sponsor this video. Thanks so much, Dread Shop, for reaching out to me and asking me to try your product, basically to just collab with this project. So thanks so much for making that happen. I look forward to working with you guys again. So let's get to that product. So these are the locks here. That's how they look. Yay! And the brand is Dready Dreads. They're Dready Dreads, dreadlocks. They are the medium dreads. Natural brown color. Natural brown. And I also have some medium dreads in the ash blonde. So I'm going to add some blonde to it as well. Let me show y'all what the dread looks like up close. This is how the dreads look. These are not like normal crochet locks. Show y'all what the dread looks like up close and what I mean by double-ended. See that? See that? That's the top of the dread there. That's the bottom. Okay, so I have exactly 2 dreads left to do here. I'm just going to show you guys how I insert these. The double-ended, the double-strand synthetic dreads. So this is the dread here, as you can see. Basically what I do is get some edge control. This kind of helps it to not be as frizzy. I'm focusing more so on the ends. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to split the section in half and lay it between the split section, like so. Then we're just going to do a 3-strand braid. Make sure you get as close to the root as you can and use the lock as the 3rd strand. And then, yeah. Start braiding. Make sure your other lock is laying across your head out of the way, because we're just braiding one end of the lock into these 2 strands of our hair, like so. And I braid down as far as I can. My hair on the end is kind of thin, so once I'm not able to complete the braid, I just take this here. Just take this piece of hair and wrap it around the end. It's okay, it won't damage it. Then I take more edge control and slick the end down. And then I take my elastic band right here. It's not like a rubber band. It's actually more sturdier than a rubber band. Completely sturdier. It's kind of hard to break this unless you cut it. Just put that on the very end of your hair. Pull the lock through. Pull the lock through. pull the lock through. It's like applying a rubber band, but yeah, and pull the lock through. I pull it in as much as I can, and then yeah, you pull the lock back down like so, and you have it installed.
Where you tan smooth in the sun. Better act like they know you the one. Don't front. Do all your own stunts with your nails done. Switch modes like you switch codes, like I switch flows. Low key, young Sabrina, you don't give them none. 22 grand slams on your Instagram. Got the pedal to the metal, fire to the pen. Yeah, I'm cooking, baby. You keep my mind sharp. You some fine art. You some fine art. You some fine art. Just know that. Just know that. You control that. All they talking about is her overlap. Her overlap. You own that. Go ahead, girl, throw it back. You own that. Go ahead, girl.